Welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 26 July 2017. According to the World Bureau of Metal Statistics, the nickel market was in deficit from January to May 2017, with apparent demand exceeding the production by 54,300 tons. In 2016, the calculated deficit was 62,000 tons. The stocks held at LME by the end of May 2017 were 7,78,984 tons, 3.52% higher than the corresponding period in 2016. Refined production for the period January to May 2017 was 6,73,200 tons and demand was 72,740 tons. Nickel mine production during January to May was 7,15,000 tons, which is 85,000 tons below the production for the same period in 2016. The Chinese refinery output decreased by 26,000 tons as compared with 2016, and apparent demand was 1,19,000 tons lower than the previous year due to reduced imports of nickel metal from Russia. Benchmark 3-month nickel prices were traded at $10,005 a metric ton on the London Metals Exchange, heading towards the last highest price of $10,295 a ton since April 2017. The prices gained consecutively for 3 days and were supported by weak dollar as traders await US Federal Reserve's policy results. Vedanta's mine metal production in the first quarter was at 2,33,000 tons, up 84% year-on-year. The increase was primarily on account of higher volumes for all mines, higher zinc rates and depletion of opening ore stock. Integrated zinc metal production during the quarter stood at 1,94,000 tons, up 92% year-on-year. Refined zinc lead metal production was at 2,28,000 tons, up by 80% year-on-year. Integrated saleable lead metal production during the quarter was at 35,000 tons, up by 42%. The company expects Rampura Agucha and Sindesar Khurd to start production from the shaft in third quarter and second quarter financial year 2019 respectively. Vedanta also plans to increase its focus on exploration program for Zawar due to encouraging exploratory drilling results and plans to upgrade it to 2.7 million tons per annum by second quarter of financial year 2018. As previously guided, mine metal production in financial year 2018 is expected to be higher than that in 2017. The company expects refined zinc lead metal production to be around 9,50,000 tons for the year. National Aluminium Company Limited (NALCO) has added AA3105 alloy having a composition of aluminium, manganese and magnesium to its existing product range. This alloy has wide application in manufacturing of fan blades and commands a premium over the existing product range being produced in rolling plant. Major customer for this product are manufacturers of fans. Commercial production of the alloy has been started from 24 July 2017. Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from the Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,800 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh is Rs 28,800 per ton, while at Indore and Muzaffarnagar the offers have been noted at Rs 31,000 and Rs 27,300 per ton respectively. Chinese origin aluminium ingots and aluminium foil are being offered at FOB basis at Shanghai port at $2,108 per metric ton and $2,610 per metric ton respectively. The zinc ingots of various specification are available for sale. The details are as follows. The steel billets of various specification are available for sale and the details are as follows. Thank you for listening. Join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.